Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be creating this very easy, simple yet glam Indian festive makeup look. First I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows using the Sugar Cosmetics Arch Arrival Brow Powder in the shade Cherry Brown. This is such a quick and easy product to use and fill your eyebrows, and it is very well pigmented as well. Then I'm going to take the Wonder Woman Mix-It palette in the shade Cosmos Conqueror and picking up the bronzer shade and applying that all over the crease as a transition using a blending brush. Next, I'm going to pick up this beautiful gold eyeshadow, which is a shimmer finish, and apply that all over the lids except the outer corners. And then I'm going to pick up this beautiful warm terracotta matte eyeshadow on another blending brush and apply that to the outer corners of my eyes. I'm also gonna take the I Dared You So metallic eyeliner in the shade Bronze Horseman and applying that to the centers of the eyelids to add a bit of bling and blending it out using my fingertips. To prime my face, I'm going to use the Face Forward Primer Stick and apply that to the main areas of the face to fill up any pores and create that smooth, even canvas. For base today, I'm going to use the Drop the Base Serum Foundation in the shade Lungo, which is a very lightweight and natural finish foundation. So I'm just gonna drop that to the main areas of the face and blend it out using a buffing brush. This is a beautiful glowy finish foundation and I absolutely love how this looks and blends with the skin. To conceal my under eyes, I'm using the Sugar Magic Wand Concealer in the shade Corn Panna and blending it out using a concealer blending brush. This concealer is extremely high in coverage and blends so effortlessly. To contour my face, I'm using the Face Forward Contour Stick in the shade Espresso Edge and applying that to the hollows of my cheeks, the sides of the nose to add a bit of definition. I'm also blending the contour upwards for that chiseled look and blending out the nose contour as well using a different blending brush. To set my face, I'm using the Power Clay Compact in the shade Banana and setting my under eyes as well as the rest of the face as well to mattify it and to prevent any creasing. Again, gonna pick up the bronzer from the Cosmos Conqueror palette and define my lower lash line using a tapered blending brush and connecting it to the top eyeshadow work. For mascara, I'm using the Lash of Titans Volumizing Mascara and applying generous coats of this to my top and bottom eyelashes, and this is a beautiful jet black volumizing mascara for your lashes. I'm also going to add a bit of blusher to my face. I'm using the Contour Deforce Mini Blusher in the shade Salmon Superstar, which just brightens and awakens up my whole face and applying that to the apples of the cheeks. To highlight, I'm using the highlighter from the same Mix-It palette and applying a very tiny bit to the tops of the cheekbones. For lipstick, I'm choosing this beautiful vivid red shade from the Matte Attack Transfer Proof lipstick in the shade Grateful Red, and it just makes the whole look pop and perfect for the festive season. And here is the finished Indian festive makeup look.